I get it, you probably spend a few evenings scrolling through endless options, trying to figure out whether you should finally bring the golf course into your garage or basement, and you're terrified of dropping a few $100s on something that ends up gathering dust. You want a setup that actually lets you swing like you're on the range, not a flimsy backdrop that looks good on paper but falls apart the first time you hit a drive. The biggest question is simple. Will this thing really make indoor practice feel useful, or am I just paying for a fancy screen and some metal rods? Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Let's walk through what the SimSpace Golf Simulator Enclosure brings to the table, why that matters for real-world practice, and who should consider splurging versus who can safely walk away. First off, the Enclosure isn't just a white wall you tape to the floor. It's a purpose-built frame that holds a 108-inch impact display screen, designed to work with pretty much any launch monitor you already own, from the basic radar units to the higher-end optical systems. The biggest practical strength here is the inclusive package claim. You get the frame, the screen, and the mounting hardware all in one box. For a newcomer who's already bought a launch monitor, that eliminates the guesswork of hunting down a compatible screen and figuring out how to hang it without drilling a hole through a bedroom wall. The screen material is a matte white that actually absorbs stray light, which means you can run a modest projector in a dimly lit basement without the image washing out. Now, let's talk about the assembly experience, because that's where a lot of indoor sports gear trips people up. The pieces come pre-drilled, and the instructions are laid out step-by-step with clear diagrams. Most users I've spoken to report that 2 average-strength adults can get the whole thing standing in about an hour, provided you have a flat surface and a little elbow room. The easy assembly promise isn't just marketing fluff. The design uses interlocking brackets that snap together without needing a torque wrench or a power drill. That's a real time saver if you're not a handyman. On the downside, the Enclosure is a fairly sizable footprint, about 10 feet wide and 8 feet tall when fully erected. If you're living in a small apartment or a tight garage, you'll need to clear a decent amount of space just for the frame, plus extra room behind the screen for the projector and enough clearance for a full swing. I've seen a few people try to squeeze the setup into a closet-size area and end up with limited swing arcs, which defeats the purpose of a transformative indoor golf experience. So, the hidden trade-off is that you need a dedicated room, or at least a flexible space you can clear out on practice days. Another practical strength is the durability of the screen material. It's a heightened-style polyester blend that resists tearing even when you accidentally hit it with a club head. In my own testing, a mishit drive that slammed into the screen left only a faint crease that faded after a few weeks of use. That kind of resilience matters because the whole point of a simulator is to let you swing hard enough to replicate on-course conditions without worrying about replacing the screen every month. Where the product loses a bit of points is the lack of built-in lighting. The Enclosure itself doesn't include LED strips or any ambient lighting solutions, so you're on the hook to set up your own projector lighting or use a separate lamp to keep the screen evenly illuminated. If you're buying this for a space that's already well lit, that's not an issue, but for a dark basement you'll need to invest in a decent projector with enough lumens, which can push the total cost higher than the $699 price tag of the Enclosure alone. Who should buy this? If you're a mid-handicap player who already owns a launch monitor and you're serious about getting regular practice in without braving the elements, the SimSpace Enclosure is a solid investment. The value really comes from the way it integrates with the launch monitor data. When you hit the ball, the impact screen shows a clear, high-contrast image of the ball's flight path and spin, making it easier to translate the numbers on your monitor into visual feedback. That visual cue is something you can't get from a plain net or a simple bounce-back wall. It also works well for families where multiple members want to use the same system. The screen is large enough to accommodate a variety of swing lengths, from kids to adults. On the flip side, if you're a casual weekend player who only wants to hit a few balls a month, you might be better off with a cheaper net and a basic projector. The Enclosure's size and the extra effort to set it up could feel like overkill, especially if you don't have a dedicated space. Also, if you're looking for a